Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on IOTA. On a 7 day time frame chart, you can see that IOTA has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern. And if you take a look at the previous history of IOTA, then you can see that whenever it is forming any bullish bias move, it is breaking them out. Like it broke out this big falling wedge pattern, then broke out this another very huge falling wedge pattern and a down channel, this channel, and now recently we have broken out another falling wedge pattern. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and for a while also broke out this long-term resistance of 23.5 cents, but again moved down. And now after getting accumulated above this very long-term support zone, that's out from 15 cents and goes to 13.5 cents. It's gearing up. And now there is a probability that soon it may again try to break out this long-term resistance of 23.5 cents. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. By the way, this is also a double bottom. It is likely to form a double bottom at this support zone as well on the 7 day time frame chart. This double bottom is quite visible. Like previously, it formed a double bottom here. First bottom was here before the breakout from the channel. Another one was after the breakout. Same as like that. The first bottom it formed here just before the breakout from the wedge, and the now second bottom is forming after the breakout from this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of June 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for Pole, Xmatic, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 9th of June 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of IOTA. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, a few months, it has been moving inside this falling wedge pattern since after 3rd of December 2024. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce. Here we had a long spike, but the pricing could not break out. And we had another rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And after getting squeezed, finally, we broke out the resistance. For a while, the pricing also broke out this long-term resistance of 23.5 cents, but again, broke it down. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 23.5 cents has been previously acting as a very strong resistance here for several weeks. And before that, had been acting as a resistance here, and support here from the month of May 2022 up till the month of October 2022. Therefore, this is a very long-term resistance that we need to break out in order to continue this recent rally to the upside that is begun here after the breakout from this wedge. And there is also a possibly double bottom formation on this 7 day time frame chart. You can see that this is the first bottom. This is likely to be a second bottom. And after breaking out this resistance of 23.5 cents, I'm expecting that it can turn very, very strong bullish. By the way, there will be also a key resistance zone during the rally that starts from 42.3 cents and goes to 33.18 cents. That had been previously acting as a point of rejection here, resistance on here, resistance on here, and resistance on here. And before that, had been acting as support on here, and resistance on here, and resistance on here in the month of August 2020, and resistance here in the month of Feb 2020 as well. And here in the month of December 2018, it was also breaking as a resistance. Therefore, this is a very strong and long-term key resistance that we need to break out. And the technical target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern is about to be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 63 or 64 cents. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.